All right. Sorry, guys, I was getting my coffee and okay. So obviously, yeah, that was pretty fucky. I cut all my longs. I cut this too after it rejected VWAP here. I cut the rest of it. I'm just like, fuck it. Cut all my crypto when all this shit went down too. Uh, anyway, this doesn't happen very often. Cool. -8%. That's a bummer, but that's not that bad. I've been worse. Everything is bouncing a little bit, but I think that there might not be a lot to do for a while. Or besides maybe some small setups here and there. But actually, you know what? No, I take that back. The reason I take it back is because breath is pretty washed out now. So sometimes you have a few days and then they'll bounce, right? Like this was the what was it in April? Yeah, this correction in April, and then obviously in August with the yen unwind crash, so to speak. Anyway, good stuff. Let me copy some of these over. Might as well copy this one over. Fun, fun, fun. That was what I'd call a what? A trend trender? A trend trender? A trend trader? Well, yeah, washouts are good in general. I mean, it's just you could see what survives. Yeah. Uh, but it's hard to say what you quote unquote want. I mean, I want my positions to go, I want to make money. I want my positions to go up, dude. Yeah, I'd rather have that than any kind of, oops, any kind of washout. But washouts can be good at a certain point. What did I just delete? I just deleted just queues. Okay. You know what? Let's yeah, a lot of things might be worth just I would just wait, but yeah, it doesn't mean there's no trades anymore. It just means I got scared, you know. I'm not gonna rush into anything. I'm gonna start marking up my NDX chart. Oops, dude, what the fuck? Anyway, cooler ion Q. Damn, bitch, that's crazy. Yeah, all things considered, a lot of names look fine, right? This is good for Tesla, finally. We got 10-day. I was gonna rebuy this, but I couldn't do it. I did trade a few things. I I traded the VIX very briefly. Didn't really make much on it because I just got scared. I don't like being long VIX. I um I traded SPXL on massive size. So when SPY hit this level, I started trying to get long. I played it. I basically like played this bounce. Didn't make much. I just started cutting it. Uh, but yeah, maybe at some point some kind of mean reversion will reemerge. I don't know. A lot of charts look like ass now. Hopefully this. I mean, maybe I don't have to do any work for a while. That'd be nice. Oh damn, this gap back up. Okay. More army contract. Pray.com. Okay, surely that's not why. It's the army contract, right? Yes, IWM is lower, but I'm telling you guys, you should be paying attention to ARC now. IWM is way down by what, guys? You said, yeah, my mom. My mom is so fat, she weighs down the small cap, the Russell index. Yeah, Palantir looks good. But she is weighed down by fucking regionals and biotech, yeah. So yeah, the only thing I'm still I covered my on Q short too, which was a good thing I guess because it bounced. But I think that this is topping out because like you're getting a lot of articles like this, and I said like my normie friends are like talking about this. Um, as soon as there's one person in particular who I think will ask me about quantum computing soon, and he's my dear friend, but this guy bought Bitcoin at the top in he bought it here, held it, and then bought more here, and then I think he sold it like here or something. MBST? Oh, nice. No news. I don't think I'm gonna trade this. It's too thin. But yeah, it's not bad. It's a little messy, but this kind of shakeout is good, right? Let's set another alert here. I don't know if I'm gonna trade it though. It's just so thin. Maybe I can buy some small size. Anyway, what I'm hoping is that we see some rotation to like renewables or something. You know, that would be nice. That certainly would be nice. Damn. A lot of things are bouncing hard. Or you know what? Maybe oh shit. There are a lot of things I could have held. Like I probably should have held the stuff that held above the 10 day at least, right? Like lunar and cooler. But whatever, dude. Whatever, man. Yeah, VRAR, is that doing stuff still? I put it back on the okay, Jesus fucking Christ. Its subsidiary company, Brightline Interactive. So this shit, so it's virtual reality, and now they're teaching the U.S. fucking military to uh to kill more innocent children through virtual reality. Anyway, disrespect a veteran today, guys. The only veterans you should be standing up for are those from World War II, I guess. Everyone else, you know what? No, I take that back. If well, not entirely. No, I don't take that back. There's the Vietnam draftees who didn't want to fight, who fragged their commanders. I respect those vets. You know, I respect those vets. Frag your commander, save a child's life today. Child commanders? I don't think. I think at the very least the U.S. only use 18 plus. Well, also no officers. No, no children officers. I don't think. The 12th, was it this day? Did I catch QMCO? No, I didn't. I didn't think it was gonna make that move. Obviously, it was a good one. Yeah, good job if you caught it, I guess. Uh, but no, I didn't catch that one. It also like had a really dog shit spread, right? The spread is probably still dog shit now. The spread I saw was like, okay, and now it's like, it's still dog shit, but it was like 50 cents to $1 near the top yesterday. But I love this. I love this thing. This is so funny. Halt down, and then like people buy the unhalt, right? Then halt back up, and then it takes out these highs twice. So funny. Oh yeah, this was yeah, well, if you caught this, congratulations. This was a great trade here. Jesus fucking Christ. I can't believe this setup worked again. I mean, I think whatever. It's fucking crazy. Good setup. Ion Q, still going. Yeah, my portfolio is, I'm only short Qubit right now. for reasons that I think should be obvious. I'm gonna cover a little bit more qubit. I want to hold some to like maybe the 10-day, but I'm not trying to, you know. I held this short overnight too. I averaged up to like 20 to like mid 23s. Cause I got stuffed. I got like obviously I started covering like after this breakout and then but anyway, I reshorted into the highs. I started shorting again here and here because wait, no I didn't. I started shorting again. Yeah, I started shorting again here, here, and then here because oh, so annoying. But yeah, I didn't think it was gonna do. No, I covered it. I covered it, I believe, on this run, and then I. Anyway, I'm not good at shorting. It's not really. I'd not trade this the best. Sit as space? This is like really? This is making a range, huh? $0.08 spread, super thin. I'm gonna bump this back. Oh, nice. I did it. Did I not get the... Oh, I did get the alerts. I just ignored them. Okay. So it's going to trade $10 million volume in the first 30 minutes. Hmm. Yeah, I'll buy some. I'll buy just a taste. Might as well. I'll just buy like just the tiniest amount. 1% of my account. Or at 1 point, let's go 1.5% of my account for now. Actually, let's keep it in 3 too as well. Hmm. Oh yeah, T-Pet. was gapping up. I saw this. It was like, did Israel fucking do something again? Oh. I actually haven't been on Twitter last few days. What's going on? Are they still is anything new developed? I know the Gianni said that surprise surprise they wouldn't engage with Israel because you know the fucking former ISIS rebels are backed by Israel and the US. Dude, I love it when my tax dollars go to ISIS. It's like my favorite thing. I want to buy ISIS a new Toyota. Oh yeah, Soho House. Is this the Soho House that oh, this had a buyout offer, that's right. But do you guys know Soho House? The fucking like this social club in the United States. You know the fucked up thing about a Soho House membership is that if you're under 27, oh yeah, London has them too, or Europe has them too. They are really cringe. I agree. I fucking hate Soho House. Uh, and all the people who go there. But the cringe thing is, if you're under 27, they give you half off membership too. It's so cursed. No, I don't go to Soho House, but I've been before because a friend of a friend like really likes it, I guess. I don't pay for you guys. I'm not paying for things all the time. My friends don't know how much money I have. I mean, a lot of them don't. Some of them do. I like to keep it like that. Just buying a little bit of to do, not much. I don't know if that was a good idea, but I want to keep a hard stop on this, like maybe 490, just 1.8% of my account again. Yeah, very small size on these. Is it? At least a retest of yesterday lows, yeah. But I just couldn't help but try these a little bit just to take. And these like shitcoins are less correlated, right? They kind of do their own thing. Oh, I'm just glad this short is finally paying off, dude. I was actually able to be green yesterday, for what it's worth, because through my shorts, I had a pretty, I had like 30% of my short in Ion Q. It was the only, and this is the only thing I really caught that I made decent money on. What's the 10 day here? It's like $13. Three more dollars on this, maybe. I want to cover a little bit more here. If I could take the holidays off, that would be nice. Prefer shorting multi-day runners after a morning spike and fail. If you shorted Qubit today, where would you enter? Probably just on open. 'Cause like it broke down below the right gap below this. See how it like okay. I don't know how to like spell this any clearer. Like so I'm not ragging on you, whoever person who asked the question. But like, 30-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute, whatever, like these EMAs, right? You can get a signal pretty clearly. Like you see how this is blue the whole time, right? And then it gaps below and then it turns red in the next candle. Like these, you can use these as signals, right? You can also use like just price breaking below, like on something like 30-minute on this. A lot of good signals you can use. 1 hour might be a little too slow for this name to enter, but yeah, you try to, yeah, anyway. Yeah, I saw AISP. It's a little thin. I'm not gonna trade it, but I don't know. Watch it maybe. Yeah, maybe some of these drone names can run again. I wonder if I can get another entry into Cooler, or if this is topped, right? This didn't have more news, did it? It just kind of squeezed. Oh, I guess it already did this, right? Yeah, compliance. What's the update though? Okay. That had an upgrade to $5. Okay, I'm gonna try some Cooler. Rebuy this maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna try some. I'm gonna rebuy just a taste. Just a taste, guys. Yeah, no problem, man. I find it difficult to like understand how these help people, but glad they do, I guess. I mean, are you sure you're not trading better just 'cause the market was good? Right? I'm not nice, man. I'm pretty mean generally. But yeah, yeah, exactly. The market was better. I know. I saw some post like saying I saw someone say they're up 70% since they started watching my streams. I'm like, it's because the market has been easy money. Like, I don't know, man. You know. Oh, what's up? What's up, Johan? Dolovan's trading worse? Oh, it's a shame. Really? What's my stop loss in Cooler? I'm using 225 actually. I'm using just right below. I'm using this hard stop. Tiny size, guys. Tiny, tiny size. I just don't want to miss out if there is a move. Donovan trades worse from watching the stream. Okay, yeah, I kind of agree. Forgot your stop loss during the dip. AISP. Wait, is it actually moving? I guess so. $14 million volume. All right, let's add it. I have this $5 alert. Right. Okay, I'm just gonna cut this. I don't like the way it's behaving now. Yep. Easy cut for now. Willing to rebuy, guys. Yeah, I'll cut it for now. Oh, maybe, like I was thinking about trying to reshort this at some point, but yeah, it might need more like distribution time. The problem I have sometimes is I'm just like a little too eager. You don't have to short, you can just short the backside, right? It's not too late to short a lot of the time. Um, I'll give you guys an example. There's a lot of examples, but there's one that I'm thinking about right now. What is it called again? Was it Iridium? No, it was there's a one of these stocks was a leader. CLFD, yeah. Right. This is pretty thin, but it had a good weekly flag, a big range right here. You could buy it here on earnings, right? And then this is distribution. I think it's pretty obvious distribution. Wait, did it have? Okay, so yeah, anyway, made highs, right? Retested these highs up and down. Wide and loose is distribution, right? So then, then it breaks down, tries again. I'm pretty sure I longed it here. I probably sold it like here. And then yeah, you could buy it on, you could sell it on like the break on break of this day, either here or here, right? And then it keeps going down. Anyway, just like this stock, maybe this is actually going to be a good short. I tried to long this a number of times, and like I hate to admit it, but like I tried it. I think I tried it here and here. Or no, I didn't try it here. I tried it here, and I tried it like here. Whatever. Oh, it's not. It's just this kind of pattern is distribution, right? Like it's kind of like almost a reverse base, right? You see that? If you flip it upside down, it looks like a base, right? But you're looking for like this wide and loose thing. Like this, it's going to form a range. It's going to try to run. People are going to buy the dip. It's going to get sold again and then get sold again there. And on the weekly, you'll see like bigger volume here. Although it's not as quite as liquid as some of the other leaders. This one just came to mind though. But you can like look at a lot of these 2021 leaders too. Like this is the big distribution range. Um, Nvidia here, there's a lot of good signs of distribution, right? Like these candles are very good, right? You see these like boom, boom. It's violent, right? Weinstein, cooling, talk about this. Yeah, can't make new highs. Yeah, very typical topping action. The thing is, I'm not sure Nvidia is in. I can't get a this like this is distribution. A lot of distribution candles here, but then it rallied, right? Then it got like tighter here, right? Then here too, right? But I can't get a read on this yet. Maybe some rotation to semiconductors. Finally. This candle, ugh, so gross. But SMH looks the same, honestly. But yeah, we're writing the 200 day now. You know? But a lot of the important names look like dog shit. I don't know. Some of them look pretty good. Who knows? What about Bitcoin? $5 for AISP. Yeah, 30 weekly. Did this not? This didn't have any news, right? Oh, this stock was getting some bids again. It's fucking. Let's just set an alert. I think I traded this on this day. Got so thin. I forgot where I sold it. I might have just sold it on the next day. No news for this? It's not right. Whatever. Damn, dude. It's toxic price action. Oh, Lunar? It's got yeeted again. Rest in peace. Man, they're very. I Palantir looks so good. I really hate this guy though. Fucking Alex Karp and Peter Thiel. Someone needs to Luigi them, so to speak. Don't ban me, Twitch. Like Alex Karp is the CEO, but please remember Peter Thiel is the guy behind this company. So, I don't know what I'm saying. I never really buy like what you just did in Cooler. Please explain the reasoning. Was it you just saw it bounce from the 20 on 10-minute chart and that's it? Sort of. Like, yeah, it's finding support here, but it like, it looked washed out from the morning. Like this washed out the new longs out. Anyway, it's just, and it doesn't have a lot of good news. It just has this benchmark price target, right? And then I don't know. It's worth a shot again. I'm just kind of salty I got shaken out. Not that annoyed, but mildly. But yeah, I wouldn't overthink it. It's just buying the washout. Ionic. Should I reshort this? Yeah, I'm gonna reshort it. The huge sell volume? I didn't actually look at the volume so much. It's just more that it looks like washed out in the very short term. And you know, there's some congestion around here, right? So maybe it can find support. 30 EMA would have been preferable, I guess. But, you know, it's just a try. Like I said, it's a very small size. Damn, this stock does not trade super well. Did Microvast not get any news, really? What's the weekly low on this? 77? Okay. I might short this if it breaks down. Actually, I'm gonna start shorting it now. Oops. Okay, looks like I got stopped out of cooler. Just fine. Should I just cut this too? You know what? No, I'll keep it long. I'll move my stop to like 125 or something. Archer is going where? Okay, back down. I wonder how many of. Okay, I feel like I can get more short. Let's yeah, let's add some size to this ASTS short for now. Is that 26? 24, 26. Okay. You might find bids here. I don't know. Um, TradingView has a year in review. Where? Here? Oh, they added Tasty Trade. Interesting. The option sellers broker. I didn't know Steam started doing it too. I'm still in my no gaming era though. I think maybe I should have prepped better. I didn't really do any prep. But if like interest rates are not gonna, what's I should have shorted like Upstart and Affirm, I guess. Right? Like if what the fuck was the Powell fears, right? It was like we're gonna tackle inflation no matter what, blah blah blah. We're gonna limit inflation at 2%, right? So rate sensitive names should be getting yeeted, right? That makes sense. Okay. So I should try to short maybe Upstart and Affirm too. Yeah, let's short Upstart. Let's just get a starter in these. Let's short Affirm and Upstart. There we go. I stopped gaming because I got like nerve issues with my posture and shit. I'm fucking old. At risk of carpal tunnel. I had cubital tunnel. At risk of carpal tunnel. What games did I play, guys? I was playing a lot of Helldivers, and I was playing. Well, I don't like play like like Valorant or League or any of the sweaty games. I play like yeah, Cubital Tunnel. Yeah. I play like I'd get into like maybe a single player game for a while. Like I was playing Cyberpunk for a while. Um, I was playing I played some casual games. I played like fucking what the fuck was it called? Dave the Diver, which it's ended up being kind of boring. And then Dredge. I was playing actually just a lot of Helldivers really. And then I was yeah, I was doing I also if you got if you caught me in the early stream era, I used to stream myself playing Master Duel 2 and getting super tilted. Um Master Duel is the toxic game. Don't play it. The game basically exists to milk money out of like nostalgic Yu-Gi-Oh fans, which it was me. I spent like $300 on virtual cards in the span of like a month, and I still like just would get tilted playing the game. Play without hands, oh god. Neuralink, yeah. Hold on. The news on bird flu. I don't know, man. Is there like what's the? I did see one of the vaccine stocks running. It was VRAX, right? Or no? This was gapping up or something, right? Um, why is it so fucking laggy lately? Yeah, this was but yeah, there's nothing really going on, right? As far as I know, there's no vaccine stocks running on any bird flu fears. I think Tesla's acting well. I think Tesla needs another setup. But yeah, it's above the 10-day. Like I said, there's a case to be made for not cutting some of my names, like Broadcom, Tesla, Lunar, but now I'm like not regretting cutting them at all. Like, am I actually brave enough? I love this dog. I don't want to short it, but it might actually be time. Or you know what? No, I like I like I like what I have. I like the interest rate sensitive short. It's just at some point these are gonna retest their declining moving averages, but I do think that these moving averages are gonna start to decline. So yeah, SoFi, that's right. It's another sensitive stock. Yeah, SoFi. Yeah, potentially you're right. I do like that idea. I'll this one just because this one's stronger. I won't really touch it yet. This is not the same, not exactly the same thing, right? This SoFi is a lot of it's on student loans, for example, and I don't think I don't think Trump is gonna give any relief for student loans. So, but he could win a lot of people. He could just buy votes that way, I guess. Okay. Uh, Lunar? Dude, do I short this? Let's short it. Yeah? Yeah, let's short it. My precious baby. I'm gonna short you, but whatever. No, I'm long microvast MVST. But yeah, for the most part, I'm looking to short some things. This is like part of my game that I haven't really been good at. It's just shorting thing is learning how to swing short properly. I think I can do it now. I've always been pretty good with my timing. I just haven't been so good at holding the positions. My entry in microvast 142, so it's slightly below my entry. And I'll probably hold. I moved I put a hard stop at 125. I don't want to give it to lows like here, right below the intraday high, the intraday low. Sorry. But I just have really tiny size. I have like. So you know what? Should I add to this? It's looking pretty good. Dude, really? 40% move on this? This really had no news? I feel like this is a news type move, right? I was just doing this kind of dog shit. Like, you guys recognize this kind of setup? This is the same thing that QMCO did, right? It's the same kind of shape, or similar shape, you know. I think Tesla goes to 214 at least. It should retest these 2021 highs. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh, well, look at that. Everything is, yeah, push in the morning and start selling even before an hour into the session. Not a great sign. SPY is gonna retest here, right? And then capitalism is dying. Well, it's dying slowly, but I wouldn't be so sure about. You know, it's. I think it's gonna last longer than people think. Okay. Uh, and also, the stock market is, you know, I don't think that it's not inducive to how the economy is doing, nor is it inducive to the quote unquote health of capitalism, right? Have I met the working class? Yeah, in America, they're all brainwashed, mostly. But generally people, like they'll agree with you if you talk about things without mentioning communism. Because Americans are brainwashed as fuck, right? Obviously. Do I short Rocket Lab too, guys? My precious baby Rocket Lab. Who was simping for Rocket Lab at like $5, $6? Good times. I think it might be time though. Right? Selling, rally, sell, right? There's decent amount of selling. I think at the very least we go to 21, right? We got to retest all-time highs or previous highs. All right. Oh, this is not the right one. Oh, yeah, I moved all my crypto stuff back here. What's Rocket Lab? I shorted it. Zillow, this is actually a decent short yesterday, right? Below these lows. Because real estate, yeah, you got hit. But Redfin, probably the weakest, or Open is even weaker. Man, I wonder if this would be a good short like here. Maybe let's do lows. Only $1. I don't know if I'm gonna touch it. Joby, Archer, lose the 20, right? What's the float on this? So it's massive. I'm just gonna cut it. I'm gonna start selling this piecemeal. Or should I? Kind of feel like it fails, right? Yeah, whatever. I don't want it. Let's just cut. Yeah, it could be, but I want to see a few more days downside. Seven shorts? Yeah. This was a short yesterday. Yeah, shame. Okay, guys, I'm gonna cut the stream. Good luck.